Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your username in Linktree. It's very simple and easy for any device that you own. I'll show you how to do it through your device on the mobile app itself. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step without keeping anything. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. Now let's get started with the video. First, open your Linktree and wait for it to load. And once it loads, this kind of interface will come up on screen. When this type of interface comes up, simply click on the more option at the bottom left corner. When you are in this page, simply click on my information, wait for it to load, and after it loads, simply click on your profile or your username right here, and three dots will appear right beside your username. Simply click on it and you will see a pop-up saying change username. As you can see, you can simply change your username from here. It's very simple and very easy to do, and that's it. Now you can successfully change your username. If this quick guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.